Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a referral code in Binance. Alright, let's begin. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to your account's homepage. Here, you will see an overview of your account, including your balances and recent activity. Next, hover your cursor over the account icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Referral. This will take you to the referral page where you can manage your referral settings. Once the referral page opens up inside your browser, you will see your unique referral link along with options to invite friends. To invite your friends, simply click on the Invite button. You can then share your referral link directly through various social media platforms by clicking on the dedicated platform icons, or you can copy the referral link and send it to your friends via email or messaging apps. So that's basically how you can add a referral code in Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.